Sometimes when you let things get a little unruly and you don't pull weeds and you leave areas abandoned, good things can happen. So we got, typical weeds, Biden's alba growing all over the place under my sunflowers. But then I noticed back here, we have this berry growing. And so I did a little research and I looked it up trying to find the flowers for you. Here's some of the flowers. And I looked it up and I was checking this out, and it turns out it is called black nightshade, and it makes an edible berry. They're only edible when they're fully ripe and dark, that are really sweet. Of course, I don't see any more because there were 4 of them and I ate them. But there's going to be a whole bunch more berries, guys. And there's flowers all over it. So I'm going to leave this little weed right where it's at. And I'm going to have all these little berries to eat. So now I'm going to be examining my weeds a little more closely and see if there isn't anything else in there that might be beneficial. Let's see. Well, it looks like I did miss a couple of the berries. Where are they at? They dried up. But there's a lot more on there. It's hard to see, I know, because it's behind the fence. But that's pretty cool for something that the birds planted for me. I just wish the birds would have gotten the caterpillars off of my callaloo, because you can see this plant is in sad shape right now. And this has happened to the same plant like 2 or 3 times. But I'm trying to get the seeds out of it right up here. So as soon as I get some seeds, I'll be happy with it. And until then, I'm going to keep spraying BT and hope it gets the caterpillars. I just really don't want to break out the spinosad right now because there's so many beneficial insects in my yard. But that's a quick little update about what I found this morning and what's going on over here.